3 elements of an excellent saw: sharp teeth, rigid blade, ergonomic handle. The first element, triple ground teeth, delivers smooth, sharp, quicker fine cuts. 65 mm steel blade ensures less power-consuming side vibrations and makes more precise, smoother and straighter cuts. Soft grip handle reduces fatigue in use and adds comfort for most hand sizes. In addition, adjustable cutting angle by quick release blade mechanism for quick blade replacement or easy blade adjustment. Hout mech, ideal for cutting.